Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX5 Max Sport, stock reference number 3837. This shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand halogen headlight, right-hand fog light. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille with camera. Left-hand power door mirror, colour-coded. Left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, halogen type. Left-hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage with camera. It's got a pretty tidy rear bumper cover. It does have a small little impression in the centre of it. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather center console lid. Automatic console with electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.